Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're inside the bus. We're going to go over the 5 pieces of equipment that we use to cook while we're out camping, and we're also going to go over the 3 different fuel sources that we use to prepare our meals. Stay tuned. All right, well, those are the 5 things that we use primarily to cook while we're out camping. If you use anything different or any recommendations, feel free to drop them in the comments. Be interested to see what you guys are using. Any questions or anything, you can also drop me a comment. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Till next time, thanks.
Hello, how are you? I'm living on the moon. I'm calling from a telephone inside of a saloon. The only other person here left many years ago, and now I sit here at the bar feeling so alone. I've read all of the books I have and walked the planet round, but still the thing I'm looking for refuses to be found, except this claim